To conduct maintenance EVAs on the station, one assumes the astronauts have a perfectly working spacesuit. A new challenge to overcome in an era of long-term exploration: how to fix a spacesuit in space.
The guys are all suited up. We had a little leak problem with Steve's suit, which ended up being traced to an O-ring on one of the lithium hydroxide canisters we used to scrub the CO2. And,
yeah, FAR's not really
that is our smoking gun for a leaky suit.
Hopefully that'll get out of the way too.
I can tell you something that really fascinates me is just when we do have a failure of any kind on the EMU, it's kind of like watching a piece of food drop to the ground at a picnic and the ants go get it. That's sort of what happens when we have a failure of something like the EMU, because that's the crew's lifeline. That's what keeps them. It's really our little mini spacecraft, and so that's one of the most important things that we have in EVA. And so when something does go wrong, you see this team come together like those ants and just immediately start working the problem.
Every failure is an opportunity, and sometimes you're forced by necessity to do things that you never thought that you would do.
We had a situation where shortly after the Columbia accident, and we then weren't able to launch anything, we had one of our suits go down. Okay, how are we going to go address this failure? We can't just bring it down now and launch up another one.
The EVA office confronted a first. The only way to have the suit fixed was for the expedition crew to crack open the suit and do the repairs themselves.